Colorado, where the air is thin, the mornings bite, and the mountains remind you that you're small. We packed our lives into a steel box on wheels and pointed west, not towards anything profound, just the edge of the continent, Carlsbad, California. We didn't know what we were chasing, but the road always finds a way to tell you. There's a rhythm to a family road trip. It's not all postcard moments and sing-alongs. It's rest stop existentialism, lukewarm coffee, and the kind of fatigue that teaches you something about patience. But it's also where connection happens. Somewhere between the static of the radio and 1,000 miles of windshield, we remembered how to be a tribe. Our first stop was a place called Slab City, which is next to the Salton Sea. There's a number of people trying to scratch out a meager existence in the Mojave Desert, mostly just wanting to be left alone. But one man, Leonard Knight, found inspiration in it and built a monument to God's love, Salvation Mountain. It's certainly a sight to see at sunrise, but we chose to leave before any of the locals felt we were trespassing in their apocalyptic wasteland. Next stop, Anza Borrego State Park. Highway 101, the coastal artery of California. If you follow it long enough, it gives you everything. Surf towns frozen in time, taco shacks with 3-item menus, and cliffs that dare you to camp on them. So we did. Right there, on the edge. Nothing but canvas, salty air, and the roar of the ocean. It's in these in-between spaces where you're a little uncomfortable, a little vulnerable, that you really find the real stuff. Not the Instagram-worthy highlight reel, but the quiet truth of family. The way your kid falls asleep with sand in their hair. The way the ocean hums you into forgetting your job, your bills, your regrets. We came here looking for something. Maybe freedom, maybe clarity, maybe just a darn good view. And we found all of it, on a cliff, with salt on our skin, sand in our clothes. The road never promises answers, just moments. And if you're lucky, they're the kind you'll carry long after the last bag is unpacked. This was us, wild, tired, together, and for a brief moment, we got it right. On trips like these, I tend to prepare for everything. On one trip, I even brought 2 air compressors, just in case the first one failed to fill a flat. What I wasn't prepared for was that these kids are quickly becoming adults. Our oldest is finishing his freshman year of high school. If we're lucky, we'll get 3 more spring breaks, 3 more summers, and then it's time for college, career, family of his own. Cue the Cat Stevens. While looking at our campsite that looks like a scene from Endless Summer, I suddenly realized there's no endless childhood.